Hey, let's check out this LN25 Pro. It's not working. Completely no wire feed, no reaction. Let's power it up with some DC, something between 15 and 100 volt DC. Everything should be fine. I choose 26. One goes to the volt sensing lead, the other pole goes to the pigtail. No display, no reaction to the buttons. Okay, let's check where we're losing the voltage. The pigtail is connected to one screw there, so we should have our power there, and it's there. Okay, next check the voltage sensing lead. So it goes into the machine to the bridge rectifier, and we have nothing there, so we're losing power through the voltage sensing lead. Must be defect. Put the meter in ohm reading and check for the continuity of the voltage sensing lead. It should beep, and there is nothing, no continuity, so the voltage sensing lead is defect. Must be a broken lead somewhere. Let's have a look. Defect insulation, but still continuity there. And there you got it, a broken lead. Just insulation left, no more wire. That's the problem.